What is going on, YouTube fam? How are y'all doing? Well, this is a very special video for me. I got something in the mail. Well, I ordered it yesterday and it came today. What it is those window covers, screen covers. Ooh, I did not pay much for them, especially because, you know, it was free delivery. They vacuum sealed it. It's a set of 4, 2 for the front, 2 for the back. Here's the 2 for the front. Ta-da. And the 2. Okay, these were the back. And these were the front. Okay. So, we're going to go out and see if it works. Because I have a very special weekend coming up and I want to see if it's going to happen, Captain. Well, I'm back and here we are. So it's a set of 4 window screen covers. And here's one for the front window. It's got the loop. It should go around my mirror. So let's give it a testio. And take it, slide it on over and put it here. And bring it. That might work better. Might work better that way. Make sure it's gonna go down. Let's see. Well, it's not too terribly bad. Might have to make some minor adjustments. But it looks like it's gonna work just fine. Yes. We'll go to the back door next. So one thing I've noticed with my car is this paneling creates that gap. But if I do it just right, it should be sealed everywhere else. So now we've got the back door. And we're going to repeat the process. Open the door. Slide it over. And what's really crazy is the back door fits better than the front door. But the one problem I have is I only have 3 out of 4 windows that open. Because this window, the motor shot. And this is what we have on the back door. Oh yeah, it's sealed up nicely. All right, and that is that. Find out how it works.